Hello students, welcome to Crack Grade B online learning platform. Today in this video lecture, we are going to discuss all 65 questions which were asked in NABARD Grade A Phase 2 exam which was held today. So in this we will cover all the 35 question of 2 marks and 30 question of 1 marks. So you are aware that the paper was little bit difficult as compared to previous year papers. So we will discuss the question here. So first question was based on the current affair EASE 2.0 index. The full form of EASE was asked enhance access and service excellence. Second question was EASE 2.0 index to EASE 2.0 index total indicators objective matrix is 140. EASE 3.0 components dial loan, MSME lending, tech enabled agriculture and export credit. All of the above was the right answer for this. Next question, the National Infrastructure Pipeline dashboard was asked. So indiainvestmentgrade.gov.in is the dashboard. It was in the news recently in August. Total projects under NIP on the dashboard 6500 plus. Same was also mentioned in the budget and also on the website approximate 6800. So you can we don't know the options what were the options, so you can choose accordingly. Next question was the NIP dashboards allows to search, track, communicate, all of the above was the right answer. The platform which networks the existing APMC mandis to create a unified nutrition market. ENAM, National Agriculture Market. The first state which enact Contract Farming Act, Tamil Nadu is the right answer. Step to increase farming productivity after Green Revolution, Evergreen Revolution is the right answer. The target of renewable energy by 2020, 175 gigawatt. Easy question was there. These were easy questions. The step by government mentioned in publication PM Ujjwala Yojana, SBM, Swachh Bharat Mission, International Solar Alliance, FAME, all of the above. So right answer is all of the above. The LED distribution related scheme Ujjwala Unnat Jyoti by affordable LED for all. Which of the following is a climate change action plan program? National Action Plan on Climate Change is the right answer. Which of the following is filed by the banks and select financial institutions to the Central Fraud Registry? Fraud monitoring return is the right answer. In EWS, S stand for early warning signals is the right answer. Early warning signal. Recently, if you have read the RBI report, it is mentioned there, and this is to indicate the bank frauds. NPA accounts to be checked for possible fraud. 50 crore or more is the right answer. Livestock contribution to agri GDP is approximate 28%. What were the options? We don't know exactly what were the options, but I think the same data was given in some paragraph also. This GDP related data, I think some of student told that it was given in the paragraph also. So you can answer from there also. Best milk yield cow breed. Sahiwal was the right answer. Easy question was. It was easy question. Best milk yield cow breed Sahiwal. Finest carpet wool sheep breed. This was asked in the phase 1 also. So if you have really gone through the phase 1 question, then you must have, I think you have attempted it correctly. Chokla is the right answer. PMKVY was launched under which mission? Skill India. Post placement financial support under PMKVY is 1450 per month. What were the exact options? We don't know. Some students are saying that 1500 per month, but this is given in the guidelines, official websites of the Pradhan Mantri Kaushal Vikas Yojana. Reimbursement of training center for placement 20%. Next question, apprentice rule 1992 modification. What were the exact options and answer? We don't know. So this was the question. Soil classification system most accepted in India is soil taxonomy. Soil having maximum air coverage in alluvial soil. Soil low in plant nutrient and inhibit boron toxicity is arid soils. Growing short duration crop between sugarcane rows, intercropping it is called, but what was the exact question and what were the options we don't know, but the question was like this, and these are the memory based questions, so the questions may vary from the what were the exactly asked. So if you have any suggestion or any if you remember that any question was what we have mentioned here is that is wrong, so you can mention the same in the comment box so that we can rectify the same. Cropping system which has maximum area in India: rice, wheat. Conclusion on net irrigated area and gross irrigated area. It was comprehension based question. So what were the exact option and what was the exact questions? We are not aware about that. So we are leaving blank it. We are leaving it blank. Post harvest losses in horticulture sector in India 16 to 36%. It was given in an article in the Hindu recently. It was the article of August. Storage life of 6 to 12 weeks. Semi-perishable fruits, citrus fruits, amla, apples are these are the fruits which are semi-perishable fruits. So what were the exact options? We are not aware. Jackfruit ripening index is measured by the color. Jackfruit ripening process, you can measure the same by change of color. Which state has the highest percentage area under micro irrigation? The Tamil Nadu is the highest under micro irrigation. Gujarat is the second. What were the option? We are not aware about that. Water content in given volume of a soil is soil moisture content. First milk produced immediately following delivery of newborn rich in antibodies. Colostrum. Child sex ratio age. What is the criteria for the child sex ratio? 0 to 6 years. Blue revolution is related to aquaculture. Creation of village cluster related scheme is urban. These are harvested and are called as well-formed gills lose water upon maturity. Shrinkage occurs. Oyster mushroom is that. Broiler chicken ready for marketing 6 to 8 weeks. If you have gone through over the last video in which 25 questions based on animal husbandry we covered in based on the animal husbandry, then it was discussed there. Broiler chicken ready for marketing 6 to 8 weeks. India's external debt as per RBI in June 2020. So external sector report is being released by the RBI. The question is taken from there. MGNREGA monitoring at village level is done by the Gram Sabha. Very simple question. Marginal farmer means a farmer cultivating as an tenant or share crop per agricultural land up to 1 hectare. Yeah, if you have attempted the paper that you have seen that the 1 mark questions were very easy. A harrow operated by set of rotating steel disc with common shaft, which was also an easy question. Disc harrow. Which of the following statement is wrong related to WTO? As per the students, this was the wrong statement. Authority to rule national laws. 47th question. The scheme aims to reduce poverty by enabling the poor household to access gainful self-employment and skilled wage employment opportunity. DNRM related question was asked. Integrated farming of tree plus crop plus livestock is called agri-silvopastoral. Scheme which helps during crop failure to farmers. Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana is the right answer. DCC meetings convened by the lead banks is being held quarterly. Doubling Farmer Income Committee, Ashok Joy Committee. This was also discussed by us in our video lectures. An agriculture system that uses ecologically based pest control and biological fertilizer derived largely from animal and plant waste and nitrogen fixing cover crops. Organic farming related question was there. So definition was given. So it was asked if it was a simple question. PM Swanidhi, wrong statement. that installment have to pay to the vendor, have to pay installments monthly, not quarterly. So it was the wrong statement. 8 missions related to climate change are covered by National Action Plan on Climate Change. Equal Model Residential School EMRS scheme is related to Scheduled Tribes of the India. RT Act 2009 came into effect on 1st April 2010. It was the right answer. Housing Index launched in 2007. NHB Regidex. Day and alarm revolving fund and maximum limit is 15,000. IMF was established in 1945. Pradhan Mantri Matru Vandana Yojana cash installment on 1st February is 5,000. Shift to low mortality, low fertility is called demographic transition. The scheme related to sanitation, Swachh Bharat mission related to scheme definition was given and was asked in the option. It was given Swachh Bharat mission. So exact question we are not aware. The age requirement under Pradhan Mantri Shram Yogi Mandan Yojana 18 to 40 years. The involvement of local communities in the protection and management of public forest. It was a simple question for community forestry. Which of the following is not a component under National Livestock Mission? Some mission on meat processing. We have analyzed the question paper and all the questions, and we are expecting that at least 80% questions were covered in our content. So with the proof we will share in the next video, and tomorrow we will release all the questions which were covered from our study material, and these are our past performer and these are our courses. We are claiming again that approximate 80% questions are directly covered in our content. Few questions like one markers are mostly covered, few exceptions are there, and the important one is PMKVY. 1 minute. PMKY, all three these questions like PMKY was launched under which mission, this was covered, and this one post placement financial support under PKY, this was also covered in our content. It is clearly mentioned there, and also this part, this is data was asked from. As a scheme is being asked in depth, we always recommend to study the schemes in depth. And selected ministry scheme, same thing happened here also. Selected ministry scheme was asked, and this data was asked from the depth. So this was also covered in our study material. So we will give the detailed analysis of our content from where the question were covered, and that will be released tomorrow. So these are our courses. You can subscribe. We are providing the specific content. We are again claiming that we provide only specific content. Our content can be easily covered in a short duration. So you can subscribe our following courses which are available on screen. You can register our website crackgradeby.com, and thank you and happy learning, and don't forget to share this video, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.